This is the Hot Holder Pro, a professional version of the hot holder for audio and the pedal port. It has tons of voids in it. It's got the suction cup base like the other two. You can put it in any orientation that you like. It's not going to fall over. It's not going to scratch parts. Doesn't suck out the heat. It's not going to crush the insulation. It's not going to scratch anything. And because it's high temperature silicone, it won't suck out the heat. Again, my favorite part on here is using these for holding wires, for tinning up wires. You could even group some together and tin those up, or take one from this side and one from that side and hold them together so that you don't have to hold them with your hands. They'll just solder up easy. It's got tons of voids in here for potentiometers, a bunch of miscellaneous voids for things that may not be engineered to fit. We have XLR connectors here, 3-pin, and if I can just get them in the right hole, 3-pin XLR and 5-pin for lighting connectors for DMX. It's got a strat switch holder. These are notoriously difficult to solder, but here I can push down on this. It's not going anywhere in whatever orientation that you like. It's got miscellaneous voids, like I said, for things that are not specifically engineered. You just pop it in and then it'll solder up. But it's got XLR male, XLR female. It's even got a tube socket for tube work. MIDI, Molex, USB, miniature circuit boards. Speaking of circuit boards, it's got these printed circuit board holders. You can stick a printed circuit board in there and you can stuff it all up here. And then when you're done, you can turn it over or turn it this way and solder them back in there. So soldering those up is easy now. And again, I'm pushing down pretty hard. You can see the whiteness on my knuckles. I'm pushing down hard. That's not going anywhere. You could even do it like this, I suppose, if you wanted to. Hold it in whatever orientation that you wanted. 1/4-inch jacks. Just find the hole that it fits in. Les Paul jacks. 3.5 millimeter jacks. Anything else, plus these miscellaneous ones that are different sizes for whatever can go in there. This is a game changer. You can throw it in your work box. You don't have to pay attention to it much. It's not going to hurt anything. It's not going to scratch. It's not going to break. Made in the United States. This is a game changer. The Austin Ribbon Mike's Hot Holder Pro.